Today's topic is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. In the previous class, you already learned comparison. How we compare? Using greater than symbol, less than symbol, or equal to symbol, and ascending orders, descending orders. Yes, like that only here also. In the previous class, you learned up to 3 numbers. So up to 3 digits, up to hundreds place, 456, 990, up to here. But in this class, you learn up to thousands. Okay? Now, numbers. If we compare two numbers, first, $867 and 1867. First check which is the biggest number in these two. This is the biggest number. How? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits are there. It means this is the biggest number. Which number have more digits? That is the biggest number. And if suppose if they give 2349 and 3569. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? First check. Here 2. $2,469, 3,536. So, which is the biggest number? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits are there. Yes. So, in both numbers, same digits are there. So, we cannot compare using this method. So, we use another method, compare these two numbers. First, check with the first number. What is the first number here? Here, 2. What is the first number here? 3. So, 2 is greater than 3. Yes, 3 is the bigger than 2. Yes, so this number is the greatest number than this number. Okay. Now, another example. 3,584, 3,493. Now, we'll check which is the biggest number. Here 3 is there. In this number 3 is there. These two are equal. Yes. These two are equal. So, they cannot compare which is the biggest or which is the smallest. Now, so, go to the next number. What is the next number here? 5. Here, 4. 5, 4. Which is the biggest number? 5. 5 is greater than 4. So, this is the greatest number than 3,493. Understood? Now, we'll take another example. $4,710, 4,713. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? We'll check. First, we'll compare how many digits. This is the first number. This is the second number. Okay. In this first number, 4 digits are there. In the second number also 4 digits are there. So we cannot compare these two like this using this method. Now we'll check the first number. Here 4 is there. Here 4. So these two are equal. Now go to the next number. Here 7. Here 7. These two are also equal. So go to the next number to check the greatest number. Here 1. Here 1. Here also same number. Now go to the next number. 1, 3. Which is the biggest number in these two? 3 is the biggest number. So 4,713 is the biggest number. This is the comparison. Like this we have to compare the numbers. Why we have to compare the numbers? Why? What is the use of comparison? Is there any use in the real life? Yes. If suppose mountains are there, what is the highest peak of the mountain in our country? Which is the highest peak of the mountain? Mount Everest. Yes. How we know that that is the highest peak of the mountain? They measure the length of the mountain. What? They measure it. They measure the height. Suppose this is the one hill. This is the second hill. If we see the hills, those two looks like same height. But if we measure the hill, there is some light difference is there. Okay? They measure. This hill height is 460 meters. And this hill height is 450 meters. It means, which is the highest hill here? Compare. Here 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Yes? First not this one. Here 3 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. So both have same digits. Now we'll go to the next method. Here 4 is there. Here 4 is there. Both are same. Next. Here 6 is there. Here 5 is there. Which is these two are not same. These two numbers are different. Here 6. Here 5. Which is the biggest number? Here 6 is the biggest number than 5. So this hill is the highest hill compared to these two. For this type of comparison, we have to know the comparison. Okay? Not only this. If we want to measure the human being's height, who is the tallest, who is the smallest, okay? For that also we use comparison. Now write. any two numbers, count the number of digits in both the numbers. The number having more digits is greater. Example. To compare any two numbers. Here they give two numbers, 867, 167. This is the one example and this is the one method to compare. First, count the number of digits. How many digits are there in this number? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Here 4 digits are there. So this is the greatest number because here 4 digits are there. Copy this into your classwork. Pause the video and copy it. Example 2. Here we have to compare two trees, which is the taller tree. One tree height is 460 meters and another tree height is 450 meters. Okay. Now we need to compare these two. Based on the first method, first we'll check the how many digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Here 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. In these two numbers, same digits are there. So that method is not work here. Yes. So we'll go to the next method. That is, first we'll compare the first numbers. Okay. Here first number is 4. Here first number is 4. These two are same. So it is also not working. Let's go to the next number, 6. Next digit, 6. Here 5. Which is the greatest number? 6 is the greatest number. So 460 is greater than 450. Okay. Copy it into the classwork. Compare 4268 and 4786. Here, which is the biggest number? In the thousands place, 4 is there in the first number. In the thousands place, 4 is there in the second number. So, we'll go and check the next number. In the hundreds place, 2 is there in the first number. Here in the hundreds place, 7 is there. Same. Here, different. So, here 2 is smaller than 7. It means 4786 is the biggest number than 4268. Copy. Like this, we do the comparison. Now, complete the exercise 1.4. This is the homework for you today. Today's homework. Now, ascending order and descending order. Now, ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arranging the given numbers in the smallest number to biggest number. It means if suppose 5 trees are there. Which is the smallest tree here? This one is the smallest one. After that, this one. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have to arrange these into the smallest to biggest. Means 1 is the smallest number than 2. Next 2 is the smallest number than 3. 3, 4. This is the ascending order. Arrange the numbers. Arrange the given numbers to smallest number to biggest number or largest number. Ascending order. It means arranging the given numbers in the order of the smallest to the largest. It is also called increasing order. The ascending order is also called increasing order. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means arranging the given numbers in the order of the smallest to the largest. Smallest number nunchi largest number ki అరేంజ్ చేయటాన్ని దాన్ని అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటారు. దాన్నే ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అని కూడా అంటారు. ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ దే గివ్ 4 7 3 9 2, they give 5 numbers. We have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. It means increasing order, means increase చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. So which is the smallest number in these numbers, in these digits? 2. After that 3. After that 4 7 9. Increasing in order. 2 after 3. That is the biggest number than 2. 3 4. 4 is the biggest number than 3. 7. 7 is the biggest number than 4. Next 9. 9 is the biggest number than 7. It means it is in increasing order. Else it is the ascending order. Copy this into the classwork. Next, descending order. Descending order. Descending order means arrange the given numbers largest to the smallest number. It is also called decreasing order. It is also called decreasing order. Means number ni తగ్గించుకుంటూ రావాలి. If they give 5 numbers, (32) 43, 75, 56, 94, 32. Descending order means largest number to smallest number. Which is the largest number here? 94. Next 75. Next 56. Next 43. Next 32. Means decreasing order. See here, the numbers are decreasing. 9 is bigger than 7. 7 is smaller than 9. Here 5 is smaller than 7. Here 4 is smaller than 5. Here 3 is smaller than 4. It's decreasing. Yes? That is the descending order. Descending order is also called as decreasing order. Copy this one into the classwork. Pause the video and copy it. And do the exercise 1.5 in the homework book. Examples. Two, 9, 8, 1. Example of ascending order. 2, 9, 8, 1. 1846 9863 and 5143. Now we'll arrange these numbers into ascending order. First we'll compare the first number. Ascending order means smallest number to largest number. Here, which is the smallest number, we'll compare. Here the first number is 2. Here 1, 9, 5. In these numbers, which is the first smallest number? Here 1 is the smallest number. Then 2, 9 and 5. So write this number first. Because smallest number is the first number in the ascending order. 1, 8, 4, 6. Next. Which is the next smallest number? 2, 9, 5. In these three numbers, which is the first smallest number? Compare the first number only, first digit only. Don't compare every digit. First compare the first digit. Here 2. 2 is the smallest digit than 9 and 5. So write this number 2981 and circle this one because this is completed. Otherwise we'll forget and compare this one also again. Next, the remaining these two numbers are there. Here compare the first numbers 5 and 9. Which is the smallest number? 5 is the smallest number than 9. So write this number 5, 1, 4, 3 and circle this number, means it's completed. And remaining 9863 is there. Nothing is there to compare. So just write directly 9863. This is the ascending order. See 1, 2, 5, 9. It's increasing order. It's increasing, not decreasing, or it's increasing order. Copy this one in the classwork. Now, example of descending order. We'll take another numbers. I took 4 numbers, 3471, 9316, 4587, 7302. Descending order. It means largest number to smallest number. Means decreasing order. Descending order is also known as decreasing order. First, check first digit of all the numbers. What is the first digit of this number? 3. Here, what is the first digit of this number? 9. What is the first digit of this number? 4. What is the first digit of this number? 7. But we'll compare these numbers. 3, 9, 4, 7. Descending order. They are asking descending order. It means largest to smallest number. In these first digits, which is the largest number? 9 is the largest number. So, write this number here in descending order. 9, 3, 1, 6. So, this one is completed, circulate. Next, in these numbers, check the first digits. 3, 4, 7. Which is the largest number? 7 is the largest number. So, write this number. 7302. This one is also completed, circulate. Now, compare these two numbers. 3, 4. Because these two are remaining. 3 and 4. Which is the largest number? 4. So, write that one. 4, 5, 8, 7. So, this one is also completed. So, 3 are completed. Only 1 is remaining. Write directly. 3, 4, 7, 1. This is the descending order. Means decreasing order. 9, 7, 4, 3. These are decreasing. Yes, copy it. Complete the exercise 1.5. Do it in the homework book. Now, forming largest number or smallest number. Form a largest and smallest number. Digits. They give 4, 3, 0, 6. These are digits, not numbers. 4, 3, 0, 6. These all are single number digits. Using these digits, we have to form largest and smallest number. Suppose we'll take first 2 digits and we'll form the largest and smallest number. 5, 7. 5 and 7. Now we'll form the largest number. In these 2 digits, which is the largest number? 7 is the largest number. So write first that number. After that 5. 75. This is the largest number. Now we'll form the smallest number. In these 2 digits, which is the smallest number? 5. So write 5 first and write 7. 57. This is the number. This is the smallest number. This is largest number. This is smallest number. Understood? Like that, we have to form 4-digit largest number and 4-digit smallest number. 4-digit. Because here they give 4-digit. We can form 5-digit number using these numbers, but we can repeat the numbers. Here we repeat the numbers. But they are asking 4-digit number. 4-digit, using the 4 digits, we have to form largest and smallest number. Which is the smallest number in this? When we form the largest or smallest number, for the smallest number, don't write the 0 first. 0. Here 0 is the smallest number. After that 3 is the smallest number. After that 4 is the smallest number. After that 6. Is this 4-digit number? No. This is the 3-digit number. There is no value for 0 here. So don't write 0 first. Use the 0 as second number. 3, 0. 3, 0, 4, 6 is the smallest number. Now form the 4-digit largest number. Which is the largest number in these digits? 6 is the largest. So write first 6. After that, which is the largest one? 4. Write that one. After that 3, 0. This is the largest number. Copy this one. Pause the video and copy it. Now, even and odd numbers. We know already, even and odd numbers. What are the even numbers? Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even numbers. What are the odd numbers? One, 3, 5, 7, 9 or odd numbers. I will tell one example. If we want to play some game. For that game, we need two groups. In one group, 6 members are there. In one group, 5 members are there. Okay? In this group, they need pairs. 6 members are there. 1 and 2 are paired. 3 and 4 are paired. 5 and 6 are paired. In this group, they need also pairs. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are there. 1 and 2 are paired. 3 and 4 are paired. But 5 has no pair. Here 5 has no pair. Because here odd numbers are. Odd number of persons are there. People are there. Here even number of people are there. For even group, the numbers can be divided into exact group of 2 pairs. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు పేర్స్ ఎవరైనా గ్రూప్లో వాళ్ళని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా పేర్ చేయగలుగుతాం. 2 మెంబర్స్గా కానీ 3 మెంబర్స్గా కానీ 4 మెంబర్స్గా కానీ వాళ్ళని డివైడ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. బట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కాకుండా ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉన్నారంటే గ్రూప్లో వాళ్ళని మనము పేర్గా చేయలేం. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్లో మనము ఈక్వల్గా చేయలేం. ఈక్వల్ పేర్స్ హెచ్సి 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 ఈక్వల్ పేర్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇక్కడ 2, 2 1 పేర్. ఇక్కడ ఒక పేర్ లేరు, మిగిలిపోయారు. లైక్ సపోజ్ 3 మెంబర్స్ని పేర్ చేద్దాం. 3 ఈక్వల్ పేర్స్. ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్, సెకండ్ గ్రూప్. Here equal pairs are there, here equal pairs are there. But if we pair 3 members, here 3 are there in first group, in second group 2 are there. We cannot pair. This is the odd number. Numbers that can be divided into exact groups of 2's are called even number. An even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Copy it to the classwork. Odd numbers. Numbers that cannot be divided into exact groups of 2's are called odd numbers. An odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Copy it. An even number ends with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, what is the digit? 6. This number is end with even number. So, 36 is even number. Here 3 is there. We can check this also, but we cannot. We have to check only every time ones place. We have to check only ones place. The ones place one number only we have to check. Is this even or odd? If it is even number, that entire number is even number. If it is odd number, if the ones place number is odd number, the entire number is odd number. See here, 43. This is the ones place, this is the tens place. So, you have to check ones place. Here 3 is there. 3. The odd numbers are ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, 3 is there here. So, this number is odd number. Here 2 is there. In the ones place 2 is there. So, 72. It means it is even number because the number is end with even. This is odd number. This one is odd number because the number is end with 9. 9 is the odd number. Here 35. This is also odd number because 5 is the odd one. So 35 is the odd number. Now 78. Here 8 is the even number. It is in the ones place. So the entire number is even number. Copy it. Like that, if you take 3-digit number 437, 437. Here 4 is the even, 3 is the odd, 7 is the odd. But you don't need to check every digit. We just check ones place. If it is 3-digit number, if it is 4-digit number, if it is 5-digit number, we need to check only ones place. If it is the ones place is odd number, the entire number is odd. If the ones place is even number, the entire number is even. If it is a 5-digit, 6-digit, any digit number, you have to check only ones place. Remember it.